Hi guys. Hi. It is what is it? Today's the 24th of December. It's almost Christmas. Christmas is upon us. Or if you're a Jamaican, it's been Christmas since December 1. So yeah, right now what we are really trying to do is just get our minds ready for Christmas dinner tomorrow, doing some last minute things, finishing up some work stuff, just making sure that everything is all put together. I do have a last minute meeting which my intern is forcing me to have. I feel like I'm being forced to have this meeting, but we do need it. But me in my mind, I don't want to do this, but it's necessary. It's a working meeting for a platform that we're rolling out at work. So she has forced me to have this meeting. So my work phone is ringing. 1 second. Where's my phone? Okay. So yeah, I don't know when I'm going to be able to get this vlog out. I really would ideally love to get this vlog out on the 27th. Hold on. It's gonna be late. It's not gonna be posted on actual Christmas Day, because on actual Christmas Day, which is tomorrow, we're gonna be cooking, we're gonna be doing stuff, we're gonna be with family, so I'll be vlogging that. I think I'm gonna, no, actually I have some clips from before when we did some preparing for our Friendsgiving Christmas, or Friends Christmas, which was a couple days ago. It was on Sunday, like today's Tuesday, so Sunday gone. So we had that, and I made the mac and cheese for that. So I think I'm gonna probably put the clips right here. Some help, guys, because my arms Hi guys. Okay, so we're rushing to get ready. We have a Friendsgiving potluck for Christmas right now. So that's why I was making the baked mac and cheese. So I'm in the bathroom trying to just finish up. This is the shirt I'm wearing, the Hakeem shirt. And I have on baggy pants. It's a real 90s vibe. I'm not gonna wear this bandana. I think that's a little bit much. So I just put it on because I wanted to set my edges. But yeah, I did end up braiding my hair. I did not record it because every time I say I'm gonna record it, this hair took me 9 hours, like about 7 to 9 hours to do it. But this is how it turned out. I did not plan to do blonde. I thought I had black hair, but when I realized I only had blonde hair, I said, listen, I had a little bit of black hair and I mixed it in. But yeah, so this is me now. It's super long. Hakeem is getting the cats out. So yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, so I ended up doing the blonde hair and I don't hate it. I actually like it a lot. I was planning to go with black, as I said, but and I thought the blonde was gonna be a little bit too ashy blonde, but it ended up working out. So comment below if you like it. I did this myself. It's not perfect, the parts are not perfect or anything, but it's perfect for me. This is gonna be my vacation hair. And yeah, I'm really liking this blonde. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, and because I'm a gold girl, gold access, I don't want to need my wedding rings. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So comment below if you like my hair. So we're getting ready to go now. We're so late. We just got messaged, but they pushed back the time a little bit, and then now they're ready. So I made the baked mac and cheese. It's right around the corner though, so it's gonna take us like a couple minutes. So yeah, and hopefully it's a good little evening with everybody. The hair, I did a 1.5 pack of hair. I had a half pack of black hair and I had a full pack of blonde, and it worked out perfectly. I don't know how many braids I have in my head, but the amount, it worked out perfectly for the amount of hair. It's so light. I hate when my head feels heavy. It's very overwhelming for me, but you know, you take clear spot. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna feed these cats. I haven't fed them ours. I need to feed these cats and then go and feed our friends. So yeah, see you guys in a few.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google,
Feed the cats.
turn off fan.
Look handsome, baby.
Sure, turning off fan.
Please don't spill on me. Please don't spill on me. Come guys. No, come right here. Here. Oh. Here. Ooh. Rushing like crazy.
Eight. You can't vote again? No. Change your mind. You can't vote again.
Friendsgiving, Christmas, it really was I didn't vlog a lot because there are other people there, and I don't love to force people or put people on camera. Even though if I had done it, they wouldn't have had a problem really, but I personally don't like to force the camera onto people and in people's faces. I think it's just basic courtesy. So if I'm around family and friends, you realize I won't show their faces a lot. I won't, unless they say sure. But this channel is my channel, and I put myself out there. So so don't think if you never see friends and family that we're never around people. I mean, most times we're home, but if and when we are around people, it's for us to be around them and just really be into what we are doing with them. Hakeem is on it as well on this channel because my husband and him have a problem with being on camera, but for the most part it's just gonna be like my face and stuff that I'm doing and stuff happening around me. So yeah, I'm gonna try straightening up, and then I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. We're gonna be doing most of the cooking. I'm doing chicken, doing veggie stew peas. We don't do ham and something there because we are an Adventist family with my parents, and Hakeem's mom is Adventist, and we didn't generally grow up eating that. And then my sister and my niece are supposed to spend the night. I think my mother-in-law is going to spend the night as well. So we're going to be having games. I'm saying all these things as well because I don't know how much of it I'm going to vlog. I'm definitely going to show you guys the food. Definitely you're gonna hear some screaming and laughing, but that's pretty much gonna be our Christmas. So these are the gifts. This is for another niece. This right here mix up for daddy and who else? Let's remember. Oh, Luke again. So he just bought the birthday gift. I got it, so I wrapped it as birthday. So I'm gonna give it to his to Nikki and tell her to open it on his birthday. And then these are for the moms. And then this one, I think this is for, who is this? Oh, this is so this is part of the one. Currently hoping that there's one more or two more gifts that need to make it here. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I get them in time. They're for my sisters. Fingers crossed. Oh my god. No, the meeting was cancelled because IT is currently on my work computer trying to fix something, some drives. They're installing some drives, so I'm unable to have the meeting. It's my meeting that I was having. So if I'm unable to share it and be on my computer, I won't be able to have it, but it's fine. We can have it on Monday, and when IT comes off my computer, I can just work on putting together some more things, and then on Monday we'll have a proper meeting. But I will it's good that me now have a meeting for Christmas Eve. As I said, I never did want to have the meeting anyway, but it's a necessary meeting. But so yeah, because I'd rather have a proper working computer for future. I'd rather not push and have a meeting today and then tell IT said they can't come on my computer now. I'd rather them work on my computer now so that I am not in trouble. This is my favorite air freshener right now. Hakeem got this one the other day, and it's so good. It's a Downy and Febreze collab, Air Calm. It's the lavender and vanilla bean. Just get it. It's so amazing.
Milton gets angry because this is his car and he knows how to say dirty. An argument ensues and punches are thrown, but the fight is interrupted when a flying monster dives in and takes Milton away.
I'm just filling up ice trays. So yeah, it's a lot of ice. I think I can do one more tray. 2 more trays. And also currently defrosting all this chicken. So I seasoned a lot of this chicken from like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so there's a lot of chicken right here. And then tomorrow Hakeem is gonna do veggie stew peas. So yeah, I totally forgot to defrost the chicken. It's now almost 3 o'clock, which it should be defrosted by tomorrow, but I just was like, oh my god, I need to defrost the chicken. Imagine me defrosting chicken Imagine me defrosting chicken tomorrow. Hi, little mama. Hi. You're growing up so nicely. Hi, Kiki. Oh, look at that cute face. Look at how she still looks serious, but she's getting so big. Look. Oh, sorry, Papa. Look at how big she's getting. Here, you see?
Snow. is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still.
Right, hi everybody, Merry Christmas and season's greetings. Yeah, from last night we have just been preparing for today, which is Christmas morning. We're on our way to pick up Hakim's mom now, because we are going to be, as I said, having Christmas dinner. Family coming up from everywhere, and it's supposed to be a full house today, so I think we are at a point of being as prepared as possible. We did a lot of prepping last night, which you would have seen in the previous clips, but this morning we had a couple errands to run. Now we're on our way to Old Harbor, but then we have majority of the things to just really put together now and cook and just have it all together. Thankfully we prepped last night, so this morning what I need to do is put the chicken in the oven, doing a baked chicken. I made like a sorrel barbecue glaze to put on it, so I'm gonna bake the chicken, and then when it's almost finished I just rub that on it and just have it really like good and delicious. I made some gravy last night, so I tried like a sorrel gravy, but it's more like tomato based and sorrel. And I also tried like to do an orange sorrel vinaigrette for the raw veg, so that should be nice. So, you can say hi, babe.
Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah, it's our first Christmas in our new home, and it should be special and everything. But yeah,
So we got one compound where
yeah. Oh, it looks like Iceland. Doesn't it look like Iceland? Like where you just have like expansive something, and then yeah. But yeah, so we are feeling the Christmas spirit, preparing food.
I think we prepared as much as we were able to at this point, because I mean for the past couple of days sleep, being restful was not a part of the plan for us.
We're really tired now.
But thankfully we got to do most of the things that we wanted to. Kim the new hairstyle as well.
I braided his hair.
I was able to go to the barber yesterday, thankfully. But
You'll be fine.
We're as prepared, I think, as we can be
for our first Christmas hosting. We've never hosted a Christmas before.
It's just now is for the
food.
No, as in we're just keeping our fingers crossed that nature doesn't take over.
Oh God, yes.
It's been overcast since morning. So
pretty overcast, guys.
Definitely we're just watching that, but we're praying to God that doesn't take over.
Yeah.
At least it's cool.
Yeah, it's a cool day, because we're gonna be hosting most of the stuff outside. So it really is yeah. My anxiety comes from just hosting Christmas, because it's like adulting. We're used to just showing up somewhere. Maybe we bring a bottle of wine. Maybe in recent time I would make the baked mac and cheese and them some there. Little things, side quests. But no, this is like main character energy.
I know people are going to be disappointed that I don't make roti this time round, but hey, it's a lot.
You can change it up, man. Change up the thing. You can't make everybody know where
I'm multifaceted, so I can make different things.
So I didn't want to put any pressure on him to be like rolling rotis all day, because roti is a very intensive process.
And the way you want it to do.
Yeah, and I want them clapped and stuff. My rotis clapped. So yeah, we're gonna have a good amount of stuff to feed everybody, and I'm excited. I just need to get back. We're running behind time a little bit. We're like an hour behind, but I mean, I think that's expected. Everybody's an hour behind.
We'll soon get back on time.
Yeah, we'll soon get back on track. Hopefully we can reach back by 12:30.
The time now?
Oh good. Guys, it's currently.
I mean, we can get back at 11:30, but you're not gonna like that.
What time is it? It's
You're not gonna like. What we gonna do?
To get there, I give you permission.
Really?
Yes. It's 11:38 right now.
We're safe drivers around here.
Sure. Next clips, just gonna run the footage. Christmas Day, Kingston Christmas 2024. Happy Christmas, and yeah, see you in the next few clips.
Run that footage.
Run the footage.
Alright, so I have a headache, so I employ Mummy to help me out. She's here. I didn't want her to help me, but she forced me. I was forced it. Anyway, so she's just doing some spinners now. I'm gonna tell you till the water boils a bit.
They're boiling up.
Alright. Yeah. So the stew peas will be done by my mom and I. We have some soup here, just boiling up.
Chicken over here.
Chicken and start up. So the Henry girls preparing chicken.
This is for my YouTube channel.
My daughter and I are making nothing but pasta.
Wow. It's for my YouTube channel.
I guess she's going to show me the ins and outs of this thing. So beautiful. And she's going to sprinkle a little more cheese.
Yes. This is mozzarella and cheddar.
Yes. So what you're going to do is
Sprinkle it all on top of it.
wow.
Oh, this one chunk up.
Yes. It's a little more crumb.
Your soup spicy? I've been interrupting
This
here
is
by
a
accident.
cheese, you know.
Oh, nice.
That's on my head. It's all good. All of it, Kim? All of it? Kim, all of it?
Yeah, all of it. Not all of it, just sprinkle across.
Okay.
Alright, so make you find the parsley, oregano, and these.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, so just a little bit. That's it.
Oh, this is celery?
No, that's what the parsley.
Oh,
that's it.
the spice is nice.
Simo, you can manage that. Same small amount, Kim?
Yeah, just give me the hand. Yeah. Same for this one. Basil. Alright, that's it.
It's looking so good. And afterwards, it's going to go into the oven.
Oh, they can't hear you.
Crystal topping.
Yeah, I'm gonna broil it up.
You can't eat now.
This is the soup, guys. This is my sister's soup. She's liking it. One more what, please?
One more. That's true. Because I'm not. It was a lot that. Just quick words. So it's a blessing to actually gather together. You know, to see another Christmas, so guys.
Amen.
Pick up my brother and come back.
And come back, okay. You want help, Nikki?
No, she just want to put up. Yeah, put up the bag them. Alright. Yeah, baby, lock the door there. Yes, kind of. Guys, we're just going down to have the food has been moved down. I didn't even show all of that process, but it's just us moving the food down. All of our family's here. We're going down to the pool to have some fun. And eat. Hosting Christmas is a lot. We cooked a lot. but we had help. But yeah, we're pretty much just gonna enjoy the time and swim and eat and yeah.
And this is just water. Ooh, this is nice.